If your Photoshop trial has expired, you may be presented with a screen like this. If you want to upgrade to a paid plan, click the Join Now. And the Creative Cloud Plans page appears. Across the top we have 4 tabs depending on your status: Individuals, Business, Students and Teachers, Schools and Universities. I'm an individual looking for a single app, which is Photoshop. I'm planning to pay monthly. Buy now. Enter your email. Continue. So it's asking me to sign in with my ID. Payment details: credit or debit card or PayPal. First name, last name, card number, expiry month, expiry year, postcode. Place secure order. Get started and confirmation links have been sent to my email address. Click to get started using your products. So it looks like I'm getting a new download of Photoshop. I'm going to pause this video. Okay, Creative Cloud Photoshop has been updated, and this has turned to a little open button. Complete your ID profile and register your product. Okay, so we're back. The trial thing here has gone. Looks like we have a paid for version of Photoshop.